Make a great choice today with the 2019 Insight. 40 miles per gallon, smooth ride, performance, exterior, interior. Honda Insight has it all. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.